Urbina. I'm the chef and founder of Tepuy Collective, and this is Cook With Us with Well+Good. Today, we are making a paleo lasagna with a leek and onion filling. Before we start, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. This recipe is one of my favorites because it's beautiful, it's delicious, and is very simple. For this recipe, you're gonna need white onions, garlic, leeks, cashews, water, smoked paprika, a medium-sized butternut squash, and equipment-wise, you're gonna need a Pyrex or a container that you can put in the oven, parchment paper or foil, something that you can put on top of your lasagna and you can put it in the oven like this, and a blender. And that's it. For this recipe, we're gonna start by making the filling first. And we're gonna saute onions, garlic, and leeks. So that's what we're gonna start doing right now. Okay, so we're gonna start by sauteing the onions. We're gonna mix. We're gonna add a little bit of salt. And I'm gonna add the garlic. And I'm gonna add the leeks, and I'm gonna wait until the leeks and the onions are soft. Because after this, we're gonna blend it all and finish the filling. Okay, while this is cooking, we're gonna leave it there for about 5 to 6 minutes. I'm gonna start making the pasta with my butternut squash and very sharp knife. So we're gonna cut and peel our squash. We're gonna cut it in half, and then we're gonna start slicing it this thick. And you can also use a mandolin. If you have a mandolin, it's way easier. But in this case, I had my knife, so it's perfectly fine. So you're gonna be making around 20 slices, 20 to 24 slices, because we're gonna make a layer in the bottom and then a layer on top. Let's see how our filling it's doing, and then we're gonna ensemble. All right, so our slices are ready, our butternut squash slices. I'm gonna put this on a side because I wanna finish my filling. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take 1 cup of this onions and leek, and I'm gonna put it in my blender with all the cashews and the water. All right, and I'm gonna blend it until it's very, very smooth. So 1 cup of this mixture in the blender. And then I have 1 cup of cashews and 1/4 cup of water. All in, and we're gonna blend until smooth and then season. All right, so this is ready. Well, this is perfect. And then we're gonna pour the mixture into the sauté leeks and onions. And we're gonna put it back in the stove and we're gonna cook it for 10 more minutes. Make sure you stir it constantly, and then we can ensemble. All right, this is ready to go. You can smell the onions, leeks, so good. And this is the consistency. You can still see chunks of leek and onion, the cashew and onion paste. My favorite part now, we're gonna put everything together. And for that, we're gonna need a Pyrex and the 2 parchment paper like this. We're gonna put 1 in the bottom. We're gonna put a little bit of oil in the bottom. And we're gonna start putting 1 layer of the butternut squash. But first, I'm gonna add my secret ingredient, that is smoked paprika, to the filling. I'm adding 3 tablespoons. This is going to add flavor that we want, that we're looking for. All right, so I'm gonna start by setting 1 layer in the bottom. So I'm gonna start with 1 line, putting 1 on top and the other one next to it. And I'm gonna repeat the same thing until I have all of them layered down. Okay, so the bottom layer of the squash, I drizzle it with a little bit of olive oil, salt, and then I put all the filling on top. And now I'm gonna put my last layer of squash, the same thing that you did in the bottom, we're doing it on top. And then we're gonna finish it as well with a little bit of olive oil, salt, and I wanna show you the most important part, that is how are you gonna put it in the oven. So we have everything ready. I'm gonna press it a little bit so everything comes together. I'm gonna drizzle it with olive oil, salt, and then this part, super important because we don't want the squash to come out. We want to keep it down so we can preserve the pattern that we did. So we're gonna put a parchment paper on top, and we're gonna put on top something like a leek or another Pyrex on top, something that you can put in the oven that kind of like press them down a little bit. And now we're ready to put it in the oven. So it's 375 for 35 minutes. Let's see how this looks. Wow, love it. The other good thing of the parchment paper is that it makes it so much easier for you. And now I'm gonna slice a piece so I can show you how it looks with a very sharp knife. If you do it with a dull knife, probably it's gonna ruin the whole pattern. My favorite part, I'm gonna taste this. So let's see. Wow, it looks like kind of like meat. And I love the color. It's a little spicy, smoky. I love the sweetness of the squash and how it balances up all the flavors. And you know, the dish comes together very, very well. Thanks so much for watching. If you want the recipe, you can find it in the description below. And please don't forget to subscribe to Well+Good. See you next time.